Okay, so today we are doing the Blindfolded Makeup Challenge, and I am here with Morgan. She's a fellow YouTuber on here. If you want to check out her channel, I will leave it in the link below. Go give her some love. Her channel is amazing. Aww. She uploads so often, like I'm pretty jealous of her. So if you want to, see her on a daily basis, go check out her channel. It's beauty.
Aww, so sweet.
I mean, like, she did my makeup today.
Look at that.
Let me know how you guys like it. We did the Blindfolded Makeup Challenge on her channel where she did my makeup. And I mean, I think she got my highlight popping. So,
yeah,
hey, just a side, but hey, if you want to check that out, go, check out the down bar down below. I'll leave it so you can go watch that. So go subscribe, give it a like, comment while you're there. But let's go ahead and get started with me doing her makeup.
I'm so excited.
Okay, I'm scared.
So here we go.
Okay, let's do this. So, wait, do you have primer out? This is her makeup now. Okay. Looking for
here, I'll hold it to you. I'll give it to you. So there's two. You can choose. I use both of them, but for different spots. So.
Well, we're gonna just use this one on your whole face.
That's fine.
Okay.
Should I put my hair back? You did. I'll put my hair back.
Oh, this is thick. I don't even know where your face is. I'm gonna use the back of my hand. Okay. Hello. Hope your day's going great.
It actually feels good because I just used her makeup wipes that are exfoliating, and that's cold, so like it feels good.
Okay. And my room's hot because of the lighting and everything, so just they're bearing with me.
Oh, she's already so much better than me at this.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to hit all corners of the face.
No, literally. You're already doing better.
No, I'm just gonna moisturize. Okay, foundation.
It's a Wet n Wild Photo Focus.
Is there like a?
No, it's like a plastic applicator.
Like the Marc Jacob.
Yeah.
Do you have a brush?
No, I use a sponge.
Okay, yeah. Oh, and it's already wet. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna put some here. Oh shoot. Wait, okay, I'm gonna get my hands a little dirty. Okay. Your nose. Where's your head? On your head. Oh gosh, nails are hard. Okay. On your chin. And we're just gonna go ahead and start blending. Blend, girl, blend. Okay, go like with your lips so I don't get this. Do I even have? No, we're just gonna make sure we have some on the brush. We're just gonna put it directly on the sponge. I feel like I'm already doing something wrong.
No, you're doing perfect.
Oh, okay. Okay. So now some concealer, I think. That's
I use concealer. Okay, so you have two options.
Okay.
I use a different sponge, but I don't know where it is, so it's fine.
I like this one.
Can you guess what it is? You don't use concealer, but can you guess what it is?
Smells good. Honestly, I have no.
It's Tarte Shape Tape.
No way! I want to try that so badly. Heck yeah. Okay. Where's your face? We're gonna put it underneath the eyes. But I see people do like a triangle, so I'm gonna do that too. Triangle it up. Could have flipped that against the product. Yes. Yes. Is there anything else you want concealed? You're good. You're good, girl. Okay. Twist this up. It's not twisted.
She thinks it's closed. Can you see that?
I just smell your sponge. Blend, blend, blend the Shape Tape in. Blending, blending. We need some bronzer. We got a contour. Do you have any?
Oh yeah.
Just lead me to your brushes.
Yes. Okay, I'm just gonna hold
I'm gonna hold this to see. Let me see the other. Oh wait, no, I want this one. I think.
Okay.
It seems angled. It's either blush brush or bronzer brush, but blush brush. Be quiet. Okay. It's a Kat Von D one too.
Yeah.
Oh,
but I hit pan hard. I'm sure you can feel it.
Okay, well that one's really dark. So, is this pan? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I have nails. So I'm gonna put that back.
It's fine.
Just gonna use a little of that. I feel so bad.
No, don't. It's
She's
so
never
funny.
gonna want to collab with
No,
me again.
no, I really don't care. It's fine. It's
Well,
funny.
now that I have some on my fingers, just put that over there. And where you're going to? Can you make the Fish face?
I am.
Oh, that's great. Okay, oh, I feel it. Yes, and then we're gonna just blend that in. You know, put it in a circle and then bring it down. Yes, yes.
Treasure Chase's, which is her best guy friend's sister, is over there. A video that's, oh, there's Treasure. Anyways, that's his sister, and she's here. So if I'm looking at her laughing, then that's why.
And he blushed. Was this the bronzer one? Was that the blush one? Wow. Wow. That's great. Okay. Apples of the cheeks. I see them. I feel them. I don't see them.
Friends would be like,
No, it's just like that. Okay. Now we need the highlight because highlight is number one.
Okay, so I have a palette.
Okay, I might use the same brush.
And wait, okay, so this is the Jaclyn Hill palette. So there's blushes and there's highlights.
Oh.
Should I show you the?
Nope. I got this.
Okay, so if you don't know what this looks like, it's this. Okay, go ahead.
I feel like this is a texture thing. Yes. Yes. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Okay. Above the cheekbones. And then on the temple.
She's a highlighting queen, so I'm sure this looks good. I can't see that far.
No, I don't even know. That means I picked the highlight color. Uh-oh. Does that mean we have to do the eyeballs now? The eyebrows first.
Okay, so I have the gel, and then I have the actual, this is the, right there.
This is cold. I like the feeling. Oh, okay, so it's a stick. Yeah, I want the stick.
Okay.
First, we're gonna spoolie the brows. Spoolie, spoolie. Am I even spooling your eyebrows? I'm gonna use my fingers. Okay. So, you know there's a trick where you put the pencil right here, and that's where your eyebrows maybe start. And so I'm just gonna do that. Then they should end right here. Your eyebrows are great. I'm just gonna fill them in.
Yeah, I never do anything extra because like they're already so dark and my hair's so blonde.
Yeah, but it looks good. It's like a look. You gotta look.
Oh, thanks.
You're
That's so
welcome.
nice.
There we go. Okay.
I can't see, but they look good to me. From what I can tell. Okay, do you want to?
Eyeshadow.
Okay. I have my own. It's just the little one that I did in my last makeup video.
Mm-hmm.
So you can use that if you want, or you can use one of yours.
No, this works.
Okay.
I just gotta feel.
It's the Tartelette Tease.
I'm gonna start with this middle shade.
Okay.
And use my fingers because that's the way we do it when we have a crisis. Go back to the middle shade. And then we're gonna put this, whatever this color is, in the crease. It's so different when you work with like other people's eye shapes.
Mm-hmm. And you can't see what you're using.
And you can't see what you're doing. Then take the first color, and I don't even know what colors these are, and hopefully use that as a highlight. No.
No, I don't know. I can't see it.
Okay. There we go. I would now like some liquid eyeliner if you have some. Okay.
All right.
This is when it gets serious.
My eyes are staying closed.
Yeah, you might want to do that. Okay. We're just gonna... Oh, shoot. Okay, we're gonna have to do the finger method. Yes. Wing it. This is really hard.
It really is.
No, that's good enough on that side. Am I hurting you?
No. From whenever I did her makeup, this is the leftover foundation that I thought I didn't have any on my hand, so.
You can't feel when you have powder. Like, you feel like a little bit maybe with the powder.
Maybe if it's like a thick one. Okay, what is
It's
next?
thick.
Thick.
Mascara.
Okay, so I have two.
I feel like I'm gonna have more control. Is this the tardiest one too?
Yeah.
Love this mascara. Absolutely love it. Oh, I think I got some underneath the eyeball. Yes.
Right there you are, yeah.
It's all
Good
about
job.
the technique.
I did that too, but I was like...
You hit my eyebrow.
Yeah.
Lips?
3 lip glosses. I have a lip liner. Do you want to try that or no?
Yeah, let's align your lips first.
Okay.
Why do I smell everything?
Well, makeup smells good.
But it's not like I'm eating it. Gotta fill in those lips. You know what's funny? My name's Lippy. No, and I love lip products. And so then when I find a brand that says Lippy, L-I-P-P-Y or something, no, I used to spell mine L-I-P-I.
Oh, like a lippy stick?
Yes!
From Collab.
Yes!
Oh my god!
I get so excited. So when like a YouTuber's like, this lippy stick, I'm like, she just said my name. He just said my name.
Shout out.
You know, they don't know it, but they know it. I know it. Well, yep, I'm sure that was great. Okay, lipstick, and then I'll put lip gloss on top of it.
Okay. Lipstick or liquid lipstick?
Just, I don't know.
That's liquid lipstick.
Well, girl,
I don't know where my lipstick went, but that's good. That one's Stila, and that's my favorite formula. You guys should try it out.
I tried that.
They're so good.
I'm worried about this one, so we're just gonna can't use finger. Sorry, so sorry. Can you open your mouth? Yeah.
My lips are a lot smaller than yours, so.
I don't think we need lip gloss on top of that.
Are you sure?
I mean, let me see. Let's feel them out.
Okay, so I have 3. And one of them, my dog kind of.
Coco. Her dog's name is Coco.
I
If
feel
you
like
watch...
there's lipstick on my teeth now. Can you see? I'm just
No.
kidding.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna use this one.
It's a Marc Jacobs one.
Ooh, get them. Oh, sorry.
That's fine.
Spawn that in. I touched your teeth. Oh, that's your teeth. You can throw your mouth in.
I can't, I'm laughing. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay.
And just... Okay. Do I need anything else? Am I missing anything?
Not really, no.
Oh, shoot. Here we go.
This is what it looks like right now. I think, honestly, like,
Goals.
who wouldn't want to wear this?
Go!
Right?
You ready for the show?
Are you guys? No, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it looks so good.
Honestly, like,
Your foundation looks good.
yeah, I think hold on,
It's about the blend.
True. Oh, it's all about the blending. Look, that's.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. It's so funny. No, it's fine.
sorry.
No, I promise you, it's fine. Whenever she went to contour, I don't even think you can tell. It's fine. See, she dug her nail in it, but it's fine because I don't even use that color, and I've already hit pan on like everything in
You
here,
can
so
see my hands.
it's cool. I think it looks good. What do you think?
I think the lip color looks really good on you.
Me too. And I love your overdraw too. Like precise.
Trend on trend. Well. Whoa! I got a wing going on right here. Can we look at
I didn't
this
look
wing?
at it.
It's like really good. The best wing I've ever done in my life.
Oh my gosh!
I didn't do one on the other side apparently. It's fine. We're fine.
My eyebrows look good too. But like this is what I was laughing at the beginning because you were like, "Oh, it's blended," and like
It's not. It's not. Wow. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Let us know what you guys thought about this challenge. I thought it was really fun.
Me too.
If you guys want to see us do more challenges in the future, make sure to leave it in the comments down below. And you know, while you're down there, we got the bottom bar, and there is going to be Morgan's channel. So go to her channel and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give her videos a big thumbs up. You know, you can give my channel a little bit of a thumbs up,
Yes.
and then you can hit that subscribe button. And if you want to
Yes.
get notified anytime that either of us post, you can hit the bell icon on either of our channels, and you'll be notified every time we post. For me, it's weekly. For her, it's about every other day.
Ish, yeah.
But yeah, you know, go check that out. I think that is about it. So until next time, we will see you later.
Bye, guys.